So an angel shows up to Mary and announces the birth of Jesus. An angel also shows up to Joseph to describe this birth so that he understands it as well. In Matthew chapter 1, verses 20 through 23, it goes like this. But as he, Joseph, the husband, considered these things, behold, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream, saying, Joseph, son of David, do not fear to take Mary as your wife, for that which is conceived in her is from the Holy Spirit. She will bear a son, and you shall call his name Jesus, for he will save his people from their sins. All of this took place to fulfill what the Lord had spoken by the prophet. Behold, the virgin shall conceive and bear a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel. Jesus is born as God with us. Jesus is born as King. Jesus is born a child to live with us and show us God and his righteousness and his salvation. Jesus is born to be the one who will save his people from their sins. See, all of this, so that we hear this kind of lesson, we can put our hope in Jesus Christ. We can put every hope in Jesus Christ. We can put the most weighty hopes of our lives and our souls in Jesus Christ, and he will never fail us. This is the only sure and safe place for the hope of the human soul. So if we remember how hope went wrong, we see in Jesus Christ how hope can go right. How hope is complete, how hope is done in Jesus. You see, friends, Jesus will not fail in power to do what he promised. He will not fail in his power to do what he promised. And he will never fail in his will, in his desire to show mercy to his people. In other words, our hope put in Jesus Christ will never fail.